Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
It's summertime around here, and I'm ready to get my kids off of their devices and outside, burning off all that stored up energy. And this punching bag from Boxer Point is a knockout. I love the thick, durable material. My kids haven't been easy on this, and it shows no signs of wear or weakness. My husband and I have even punched it around, and it still holds up. It was very easy to set up with its easy to read directions. We simply filled the bottom with water, or you could use sand if you want to, and pumped it with air from the provided foot pump, and it was ready to go. The foot pump is easy to use, and we had the whole thing quickly inflated. We didn't fill the bottom up completely with water because we didn't know where we wanted to keep the punching bag. At first, we had it outside on the porch, and then we moved it inside, and we'll probably move it to the garage eventually and fill it up permanently there. But even with the low water level, it was still fun and easy to move around. So if you're looking for a durable punching bag and a fun way to release all those wiggles from your little kids, then this punching bag is the way to go. It would also be a great gift for any kid, boy or girl.
And that's my point of view.